All right. So this is pretty cool. I guess it's like a recap of my last video of the homemade snow ice remover. It's been a week now. We did get this snow again. I don't know if you can see this, but it snowed again. And the cool thing is, I guess other than like just like a little bit of this area where the snow just like kind of tucked underneath, like the under parts of the stairs. I never used anything like down there, so that explains that. But for the other part, it's pretty much, it's still uncovered. Even like in some of the areas where the snow didn't, or we didn't even get that much light, so it's still uncovered. It's still pretty much like great. And it is, I believe, either 20 or 10 degrees out here. And the snow, I mean, it's not even like that like hard right now, but I would say it looks like it's still holding up a week later. All right, that was pretty much it.